Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as the watch face on your watch. First, we need to make sure that the devices are paired together, because otherwise this won't work. So your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application, and once the devices are paired together, you can continue and open the HUAWEI Health application on your phone. That is paired with your watch, of course. Then tap on Devices and select your HUAWEI Watch GT 6. And here find the option called My Faces and tap on it. And on the list of watch faces, you will see the gallery. If you don't see it here, you can tap on Manage Local Watch Faces, and you should see it right here on the list. Tap on it, and here we can customize our watch face. We can add the background, so tap on plus, and you can take a photo or select image. If you select take photo, it will open the camera application. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face, and select image allows you to basically select the image from your phone. And I'm gonna use this option. Allow the required permissions, and then open, I don't know, maybe download folder, and here select the image, for example this one. And now we can crop the image, because basically the whole image won't fit on the watch face, so we need to select the part of it. And you can zoom in, zoom out, move left and right, and stuff like that. So crop the image to your liking, and then tap on the check mark. Here we have a preview of our watch face. You can add more pictures than one, so you can, for example, add another picture like this. Then we have two pictures, and here you can also customize how they look like. You can change the type of the clock, you can change the color of the tint, you can change the font of the clock, you can change the position of the clock, you can change the color of the clock, and you can also add the data pools, basically widgets. You can tap on one, for example battery, and then maybe second will be steps. Okay, and you can also enable and disable the option to to display new image. Basically, you can, if this option is enabled, when you raise your watch to your app, basically with your wrist, it will change the watch face each time you do that. Okay, and once you're done editing the backgrounds, because each background has different settings, so you need to edit all of them. You can then tap on Apply. It will start uploading. And once it's done, your watch face should be here. And you can cycle between them by tapping on the current watch face, or each time you wake up the screen on your watch, it should change the watch face. So if we turn off the screen, then wake it up. Oh, apparently it doesn't do that. So, my bad, you can only switch between them by tapping on the current watch face. Okay. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you set the custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.